Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 10 in graphic design, and today we are going to start with what we call composition. Right, so layout and composition are the building blocks of design. So they give your work structure and make it easier to navigate, from the margins on the side to the contents in between. So that's what we call layout and composition of your words, of your design. If you have ever visited the website, you would have seen that they have sidebar and they have the center content and they have heading. That's what we call composition and layout. Alright, so composition is the way your content is arranged. So it always works with text, images, and other elements in your work. Alright, so now there are basic principles that you need to follow when you want to have a good layout design. So, and the number one there is what we call proximity. Alright, so these are the key to master layout and composition. So you have to, these are the key that designer used to use to have a good layout. Have you ever seen a designer you say, I like this design, see the way it looks? It's because it follows all what I've been sharing with you here. Alright, they make use of all what I've been sharing with you. They have been practicing, they have been making use of all these rules over time. It's not going to be easy, but with time you're able to know how to use all this and apply all these principles. Alright, so this principle will help you to transform your work and sharpen your eye for design. So you make sure that you keep them in your mind during your next project and make sure you look for ways to apply them. Alright, let's now take them one by one. So proximity, what is proximity? Proximity is all about using visual space to show relationships in your content. So you use proximity to show relationship. So all you have to do is just that you make sure that related items are grouped together. That's what we call proximity. You know, this is the name and these are details, address. So, and these are icon, they are grouped together. That's what we call proximity. So you separate related, you group related items together. Alright, so this makes your work to be easier to understand at a glance. Alright, so whether it's purely text or something more visual, something like this, you make sure that they are grouped together. Related one are grouped together. And the next one is we have white space. Alright, white space is also an important part of every composition. Alright, so another name for white space is negative space. So like the space between your content, between line, between margins. So these are white space. You know, imagine that everything just full this space. Your design will not look good. So all this little space also that you give, it gives room and make your design to breathe. As you can see, all these are white space, negative space. They are negative space, and they are also play an important role in your design. So that is that. Alright, so this is an example of white space. All this space, they are white space. They make your design to do what? To breathe. Alright, and the next one there is alignments. So you have always been used alignment. So whenever